10 states with the most handsome men in Nigeria. Now, the state occupying the 10th position as of the most handsome men in Nigeria is the Rivers State. As you all know, that Rivers State is the eastern part of Nigeria. Okay, they occupy the 10th position of the most handsome men in Nigeria. The ninth is Enugu State. Enugu State, being an eastern part of Nigeria, have handsome men who are charming and good looking. Enugu State occupy the ninth position. The eighth is Benue State. I know as a result of most people will be shocked at this, but uh, as apart from the fact that they have the insecurity in that state, particular state, yeah, it doesn't deprive their men from being handsome. So they occupy the eighth position. And the seventh most handsome, or state with the most handsome men is Ekiti State. Ekiti State, which happen to be in the western part of Nigeria, houses some of the finest men in the western part of Nigeria. Abia State occupies the fifth, or rather the sixth position. The sixth position belongs to Abia State. And Abia State, which happens to be in the eastern part of Nigeria, has strong men and men who are strong and also handsome. They are occupying that particular region. The fifth most state with the most handsome men is Lagos State. Lagos State, of course, the western part of Nigeria, the former capital of Nigeria, also have that test of good-looking men in that particular state. Anambra occupies the fourth position of the most handsome men in Nigeria. Of course, Anambra is located at the southeastern part of Nigeria. Of course, they house some of these finest men in Nigeria. Some of them are in the film acting. They are very popular. Many of them are very popular. All right. The third is a state with the most handsome men in Nigeria is shockingly Katsina State. Katsina is occupying the third position of the most handsome men in Nigeria. And Katsina, of course, is the northern part of Nigeria. Then the second spot belongs to Ogun State. Ogun State, which happens to be the western part of Nigeria, occupies the second position with the most handsome men in Nigeria coming from that place. And the first is Delta State. Delta State occupies the first position with the most handsome men in Nigeria. Of course, if you feel that this analysis is wrong, you could let us know in the comment section. But these are analysis I discovered myself. That's I researched by myself. Okay, so if you find this video interesting, please don't forget to like and share. Also comment, and of course, please if you are watching for the first time, follow for more updates. Thank you and good luck.